Oh my God! Sounds fun.
Special guest ako sa Pinnacle Publishing anniversary. I hope you all could come. I know the event might be boring, but the fun will be in dressing up.
She is going to be.
I know, but she's history. Huwag na tayo magpa-apekto sa kanya.
I'm not affected.
Good. Let's enjoy the evening, yeah?
No, thank you.
Rafi. Hi, Anton. Sis, si Arwin.
Hello.
Mrs. Go. Babe, buffet. I'm hungry, babe.
Hi, Rafi. Well, you look nice. Considering...
Considering.
Well...
Well, considering your background and your daddy's bank account, I'm surprised that you still haven't developed any taste yet.
Excuse
Sam,
me?
tama na, please.
Why? Are you afraid of me?
I'm not afraid of anyone.
Oh, no, I think you're afraid of someone. I think you're afraid of Rafi.
You know what, Sam? I'm just gonna ignore how you humiliate yourself. Para may matira pa akong konting respeto sa'yo.
Sam, I'm warning you. Tumigil ka na kung di wawasakin ko yung mukha mo. At pag ginawa ko yun, ano na lang matitirang maganda sa'yo? Definitely, hindi ugali mo.
Now you're threatening me?
Oh, that's not a threat. That's a promise.
Tama na, Sam.
Hi, Rafi.
Hi, Rafi.
Hi,
Hi,
Rafi. Hi, Anton.
Bakit mo ba pinapahiya ang sarili
I'm
mo?
just asserting something that's really mine.
Baliw. Ayaw na sa'yo ni Anton. Tama na.
Give it up, Sam. You know what? Let's just split the ballroom. That is your side, this is mine.
Good idea. Dapat pala dati mo pa naisip yun para ginawa natin kay Anton. Sa'yo waist up, sa akin waist down. Then we could all be happy sharing.
Talagang hobby mo ang bisita na ko, no? Well, I've had enough. You know what? I've tried to be civilized and I've tried to be decent, but you keep on pushing me to my limit. You know what? I really didn't think it would come to this, Sam, but I'm so happy I came prepared. It's calamine lotion. Para sa kate mo. Dinala ko talaga to para sa iyo. O yan.
Rafi,
May
go.
natira pa just in case kailangan mo pag
Let's
girl.
go.
Come on.
Did you really have to do that?
Okay, let's go.
Come on, Sam.
No.
Excuse me.
You splurge on your girlfriend pagkatapos kami ang sinisita mo sa gastos?
Don't be sarcastic! At hindi kita sinisita!
Nothing. Well then, give me a figure na nasa lugar! Give me a figure!
Ang hirap mo kausap! Kate, all I'm asking you is be reasonable! I work hard for this money! Hindi to galing sa mana!
Well then, let me remind you this. Kaya ko lang naman hindi pinagtatrabahuan ng pera ko because when we got married, I had a career. Pero pinigilan mo ko.
Forget this is totally useless! You are impossible!
You are the one who is impossible! And by the way, I faked every orgasm.
I'll call you tomorrow.
Mom, what's wrong with us? Why do men always leave us? Mahirap pa tayong mahalin.
No, that's not true. Think of us na parang prize sa Amazing Race. Yung sumusuko at nahihirapan, talo. Matira matibay. Tandaan mo, Sam. We don't need anyone who does not need us.
Hindi na tayo naging masaya. Hindi na tayo nagkaroon ng atin. Ng atin lang.
We will always have each other, Sam. I love you. And I will always love you no matter what.
Ito na po, ma'am, yung change.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for lunch, Raph. Akala ko kasama mo si Anton.
Busy in sa restaurant.
What's wrong?
Marami.
Gusto mong pag-usapan?
Wala naman dapat pag-usapan pa.
Si Sam, saan daw tayo? Gustong sumunod.
Guys, it's fine. Please don't let what happened between us affect your friendship with her. Who knows, maybe one day we can be friends again, but for now, hindi ko talaga kaya. I hope you understand. Of course. Well, I have to leave anyway, so I'll just see you guys next Friday.
Yeah,
Sure.
see you
Bye.
Friday.
See ya.
Bye,
Ingat.
Rafi.
Bye. What are you doing here?
Rafi, no gimmicks this time around. Tayong dalawa lang. I want to make things right with you. I want a lifetime commitment with you because I love you. Rafi, I want to be married to you. Please. Please, Rafi, will you marry me?
No. Anton, pinag-isipan ko na to eh. Ilang beses ko pinag-isipan, anong sasabihin ko if ever you ask me to marry you again? The answer was always no.
Bakit?
Kasi masyado na tayo nasaktan. Masyado na rin tayo nakasakit. There's been betrayal. There's been lies. And even if I know you didn't want to hurt me, ginawa mo pa rin eh.
I know.
And we've just become two different people, Anton.
But Rafi, I love you. I always have.
I know. Yun nga yung sayang eh, because I know that the love is there, but wala na yung trust, Anton. And as much as I want to fix this,
The damage has been done. I just want to forget about all of this, Anton, and move on. But not with you.
Years from now, I will not look back at this with regret. Kasi may natutunan ako.
I will forever regret having hurt the person I love and risked the relationship I value. Nagawa ko na. Di ko na mababawi.
Ang pagkakamali ko, nagmahal ako. Kahit hindi na dapat. You can't force love.
Pag may mga bagay na gagawin mo, dahil iniisip mo walang makakaalam, don't do it. Chances are, may masasaktan. Betrayal and infidelity and secrecy is still betrayal and infidelity.
You